Countries and capitals. Italy. The country is Italy. Italy. Rome is the capital city of Italy. Rome. Australia. The country is Australia. Australia. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. Canberra. Argentina. The country is Argentina. Argentina. Buenos Aires is the capital city of Argentina. Buenos Aires. Turkey. The country is Turkey. Turkey. Ankara is the capital city of Turkey. Ankara. Japan. The country is Japan. Japan. Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. Tokyo. Egypt. The country is Egypt. Egypt. Cairo is the capital city of Egypt. Cairo. Canada. The country is Canada. Canada. Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. Ottawa. South Africa. The country is South Africa. South Africa. The administrative capital of South Africa is Pretoria. The legislative capital is Cape Town. Pretoria. Cape Town. Ukraine. The country is Ukraine. Ukraine. Kyiv is the capital city of Ukraine. Kyiv. New Zealand. The country is New Zealand. New Zealand. Wellington is the capital city of New Zealand. Wellington. Spain. The country is Spain. Spain. Madrid is the capital city of Spain. Madrid. Brazil. The country is Brazil. Brazil. Brasília is the capital city of Brazil. Brasília. The USA or the United States of America. The country is the USA. The USA. Washington is the capital city of the USA. Washington. The UK or the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. London is the capital city of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. London. China. The country is China. China. Beijing is the capital city of China. Beijing. Greece. The country is Greece. Greece. Athens is the capital city of Greece. Athens. Israel. The country is Israel. Israel. Jerusalem is the capital city of Israel. Jerusalem.